Everyone, and welcome back to the channel and Coin's Reaction Zone. This is going to be episode 8 of Reborn as a Vending Machine. I now wander the dungeon. I am a bit under the weather, so if my voice sounds different, then that's why. I got my ice cream. So white chocolate chips, homemade boozy cherries, and then pecan ice cream. And I thought it'd be fun just to watch episode 8. So last episode, episode 7, we met the Voracious Devils, which was a group of Tasmanian devils. Didn't really understand what Boxel was and how he is. And then we saw our most animated part of the entire series was the fire skeleton coming out. And then at the end, Lammis and the Menagerie of Fools arrived at the maze, which never explained how they got down there. It might explain later, but they kind of skipped over that. And I really wish they would have kept it, like I said last episode, with like the emotional aspects of Lammis wanting to go down there and help out and making sure Box was alive. But everything worked out in the end. And this episode is named The Flame Skeletitan of the Labyrinth Stratum. So they're going to end up fighting the boss. So it was released on August 23rd. So a little bit late. But I was trying to get a backlog of Scooby-Doo. I can't remember if I said that already or not. And so I'm really excited to see how this one goes. Especially how the boss fight's going to be animated. And how things are going to happen. Because like I said in the light novel, went in hiatus on chapter 82. And I feel like they're breezing through this one pretty quick. Stuff comes in here and there. Whenever I can think of it, what I remember. So I'm interested to see where we are going to be at on this episode. So without further ado, let's just get started.
とにかく俺たちはそれを追っているわけだ。
条件って
噂では願いを叶えるためには海藻主を討伐した際に落とすコインが願いの
俺の所持品にある8本足ワニのコインのことだよな。そんな貴重なものだったのか。
So you
従者の
get
機構団に
a
所属する
wish?
団員は8人。双子は同じ願い。俺と副団長も同じ願いだから叶えたい願いは6つ。現在手に入れてるコインは3枚。まだ足りねえ。お前さんには人間の魂が
Oh,
宿って
yeah.
るらしい。
Yeah.
俺
Wish
たち
for a
と行動を
human.
共にするなら人間として蘇ることも可能だと思うぜ。今は実力をつけるために各階層を回り主の出現情報があれば
Yeah, they've already
倒しに
killed
向かってるってわけだ。ところで
3 Stratum
お前
Lords?
さん、夜足学を倒した際にコインを見なかったか？
いらっしゃいませ。
もし
And
か
he
して
has one too,
コイン
so
を所持
4?
してるのか？
いらっしゃいませ。
I'm about to reach 5. I wonder how many there are in the
アコ、ナイ
world.
ス。俺たち
Like
愚者の機構団に
if
加入
more can spawn.
いや、常に行動を共にしろとは言わねえ。遠征や力を借りたいときに協力してほしい。
これが新しい地図？お世辞にも正確とは言えない。防犯カメラの
I
映像
forgot that they brought the 2 guards from the village as well.
機能を使えば
Like all of the characters that talked so far, besides like the end person right here.
これで攻略が少しは
You wrote that pretty quick. Holy crud.
海藻主である遠居妻の討伐方法だ。この先の通りに大掛かりな罠がある。
Do it the same way.
でのみ発動する罠だ。
Spray him with water and
重さ
then
だったよな。
his flame ability
一
is
定の重さを
not
超える
there.
と罠が発動し大穴が開く。以前この海藻を大人数で走破しようと
So there's weight traps in the way, kind of like
罠
mines.
に遠居妻を落とす。
あのバカで
How do they even know if nobody's really
改装主
dealt
が
with
自
it
分の改装
before?
の罠にはまるとは思えねえが
それを逆手に取るのだ。本来海藻主には発動しない罠を手動で発動させる。
They don't really explain why he knows all this already. Like, I don't think,
気をつけるよ
from what I heard, nobody's really dropped down or seen the maze before.
さて、詳しい説明をしておくぞ。穴は深さが遠居妻の2倍以上あ
I
る。
guess the Voracious Devils were down there anyway, so that makes sense. So there must be something somewhere that I missed.
なんで副団長の水系の魔法と8個に水を提供してもらい穴を水で満たそうと考えている。
Yeah, I agree. That's good. Boxo is gonna put out the flames like he did last time. Somebody's being cheap. So how much water you get for 1 gold?
こいつはすげえな遠気等間ぐらいなら余裕で消化できるぞ
助かるぜ。
So about, I don't know, like 20, 25 gallons
一つ
maybe?
問題がある。フォルムチェンジは1日2時間までしか使えないんだよな。あれから2日。俺は1日1時間だけ高
Oh my
圧洗浄機によって
gosh.
水を注ぎ、それ以外はペットボトルの水を投入してもらう。投げた後でペットボトルだけを消せばいい。途中、ホートンマや延期トーマが何度も出現したが、腕利きが集まって
Literally
このメンバーにあ
spending
っという間に
2 days there just pouring water into a hole. That's crazy.
ナンミスが俺を担ぎ、周囲が放水担当として意気揚々と水をぶっかけた。
穴の中は真冬み
Yeah,
たい
I'm glad somebody's
水はけのいい
actually
気分
checking.
みたいだよ全然溜まってない
水はけがいいのか。だったら
So they spent 2 days doing that?
お、8
That
個
sucks.
急に変わってどうした？あ、そういうことか。寒いなら水じゃなく氷を落とせばいいってことか。
素早さが上がっているから氷を落とす速度も速くなっているが、
Probably could have done that first, to be honest. Because the ice melts no matter what.
明かりが点滅してるよ
Your lighting's like your. Oh, interesting.
ハッコン一つ聞いていい
いらっしゃいませ。
ハッコンは人間に戻りたいの
普通なら人間に戻りたいと思うだろう。当初は俺も人間に戻ることを願っていた。人間に戻ってランミスと言葉を交わしたいという気持ちは今もある。でも気づいてしまったんだ。 人間に戻って自動販売機でなくなった俺に価値はあるのかとある。
Why couldn't he just
人間に戻って
pick
しまった。
like a vending machine human form,
でも
like a transformer,
自動販売機だった時の方が
where like he says like, you know, change, and then he turns into a vending
未だに電話の
machine.
機能を覚えないのもそれが理由。
Telepathy function that he mentioned, I think, vaguely recall in the light novel that he said that he doesn't want to talk to Lamis with telepathy because she would think that he's like a boring old man or something like that. Because she's young and he's reincarnated.
それだけで十分かもし
So
れ
he
ない。
thought it would be like boring and not very fun to talk to.
穴の中も結構溜まって
Either
きた。
way, stuff could be easily solved by just wishing for a vending machine human form, and it'd be pretty fun to see. Pushing up his glasses, or however he would look in this fantasy world, young, change, and turning to an ice vending machine or a condom vending machine or something. Oh, nice, easy, quick.
みんな水蒸気が吹き出してくる。気をつけろ。蒸発するはずなんだが、どういうことだ。
Is he too hot compared to the regular skulls?
よくわからんが消えてるならそれでいい。攻撃開始だ。
炎が消えた。
理由を知っているのは俺だけだ。穴の中に放り込んでいたのは氷ではなく、実はドライアイスだったのだ。ドライアイスは二酸化炭素を固めた物体だ。塩素骨が落ちてきた際、穴は二酸化炭素で満たされた。火が酸素がなければ燃えず、二酸化炭素は酸素より重いので下に溜まる。つまり、奴の炎は消える。うまくいったから良かったものの、失敗してたら。
Nice, that's smart. Good job.
ミケネ、様子はどうだ。
ある程度のダメージは与えているみたいだけど、もう一押し足りない感じがするよ。
重くて硬い。
Throw Boxer down there, Billy. Just Lamis, just full on chuck him.
こんならいけんじゃね。
確実性がないからな。俺も反対させてもらいますか。
炎さえなければやれるか。
え、いや、それはダメだ。下は二酸化炭素が充満している。降りたら呼吸困難、二酸化炭素中毒で死ぬぞ。いらっしゃいませ、いらっしゃいませ、いらっしゃいませ。
ハッコンも賛成なのか。
違う。残念。
違うのか。
何かあれば、何か彼らを止める術は。そうだ。
Porn Max? Oh my god.
いやもう、こんなの可愛いって。もう。
ありがとうございました。
That's one way to do it. What form did he change into? I couldn't see.
12のダメージ、耐久力が12減りました。
Only 12 durability? That's not bad at all.
ちゃんととどめをさせたようだな。これで万事 OK。
How are they supposed to get you out?
今から
Cover my eyesight is still down there.
残念。
ハコ、今はまだ下は危険だってことか。
いらっしゃいませ。
Nice, 2 coins now, baby.
よし。所持品の欄に遠距骨魔のコインが追
Yay,
加された。
Pokemon noise. He's busy. Boxer could have done that all himself.
壊れたらどうする気だったの。
当たりが出たらもう一本。
ごまかさない。うちは怒ってるんやで。ラミス。
He only took 12 durability, man. He has like 200 at this point, I think.
これぐらいにしておく。
話し合いは終わったか。俺からも質問があるんだが、ハッコン、穴の底に階層主のコインは落ちていなかったか。
いらっしゃいませ。
おお、拾っておいてくれたのか。何のつもりだ、ヒューミ。
当たり前のように自分のものにしようとしているが、遠距骨魔を倒したのはハッコンだ。このコインの所有者はあんたじゃねえ。
I agree with Yumi.
すまなかった。お前さんの大活躍でなんとかなったのは事実だ。コインを得る権利があるのは8本で間違いない。ってことで、これを買い取らせてくれ。金貨100枚でどうだ。
金貨100枚？換算すると10万ポイント。
You can do some serious upgrades with
階
that.
層主のコインの相場であるならそれくらいで間違いない。
だってよハッコン、どうする。
何の問題もないどころか十二分だよ。階層主のコインは一つ確保しているからこれ以上は必要ない。いらっしゃいませ。
さすがハッコンだ。話が早くて助かる。金は後日支払うってことで構わねえよな。
みんなご苦労だった。帰路につこう。
Does he even have 100 gold?
さて、あとは清流の湖階層に戻るだけだ。
That was
もう来ること
a
はない
quick
だろう。
fight. That's it. Episode over. That was a quick, fun fight. Pretty interesting. Boxer did all the heavy lifting this episode. Really shown in his abilities. I still think he should have, if the crocodile one is the same as regular Stratum Lord, he could wish for like a vending machine human hybrid form that, like, you know, transform, basically. Have the same kind of abilities, but also have like one of his vending machine abilities is to turn into a human. Maybe to keep it kind of like on level with the rest of his powers. Maybe he can only turn into a human for at most 2 hours like everything else. Maybe that could work well. And then the overall Skeletitan fight was kind of lackluster, especially since they spent so much time there, like pouring all the water down there for it to immediately get absorbed by the rocks. And to pour the dry house down there without telling them was definitely helpful, but it still kind of could have led to some serious damage if he didn't get his point across successfully, which would have been bad. So I think this one was pretty fun. It was just a bit lackluster for me. I think I'm going to give this one like a 5 out of 10 as an episode, just because just kind of played it safe overall. Like, they had the bother of animating the Skeletitan so powerfully and sexy in the previous episode whenever it appeared, and then it just immediately kind of just went out like a bitch, basically. I know that they had a pretty good plan for what they were trying to do, but still just kind of, for the first like real, I guess, fight in this anime, in like how they animated it in the last episode of like going to be like a serious fight, it just was very disappointing. Similar to how episode 2 was with the frog fight, just super boring. So the Crocodile Fiend is still my favorite fight, because it was also the most like intuitive durability of crashing. Like, he's actually taking damage, he's actually doing some stuff. Like this one, he literally fell down like a 50-foot drop hole onto a skeleton and only took 12 durability damage, which is pretty dumb, I guess. But it's whatever. Still fun. And I'm interested to see how the last 4 episodes are going to go. Episode 9 is going to be called A Less Than Ideal Hero, and that's going to release on August 30th. But I'm also helping my brother move. He's finally coming to my city after staying up north 5 hours away for a while. So I'm going to help him move. By the time that episode's released, I won't be around to react to it. I will get to it whenever I get to it. And I also was holding off on this episode because I was trying to get Scooby-Doo on a backup pipeline, just so I can release some like every 2 or 3 days, so I can actually have some stuff over the weekend when I'm gone. So that's going to do it from me. Thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you next episode. Have a great day.